nirok sigo jeng tini teman bagaro paika Saturday wo kaisa paper leak mani nirok nukhana je TTDC government recruitment ngi tongu 110 post aro Saturday wo kaisa paper leak ngka and aro thousands of students borok out law five settle ngka then jeng je for information maka jeng amano inquiry khaika am genuine then we find it very genuine boni bagai jeng kaisa press list khaika dino and kabangma applicants rok sono contact khaika borok tema khainai and jeng saka don't worry no justice jeng serve khainai and jeng tini aro governor bai malaigani phaijak jeng bono appeal khaika to give CBI inquiry je mansak daiti CBI inquiry rogai reschedule khai exam no borok exam marathon jeng appeal khaika and je culprit je o chaya samongo tongnai borok no punishment rogan bai jeng appeal khaika
governor ke kam
governor bo to 13 tarikh khainai bo out of station but secretary no jeng rokha and bo place khainai bo saka tini bising na governor no place khaijagan and immediate action ajagan and TDADC ni je administration boroni taraf theke bo jeng kaisa press briefing noka amani log log jeng kaisa press release khaika te chinor kabangma call phaimani ulo jengomona tama step nanai jeng wasoka so jeng tini governor bai malaiga phaimani jeng appeal khaika CBI inquiry rogani bagai je culprit omo khainai no je manjak nai bono punish khaiga angthong amo sini TSM ni demand tongnai and students rok kabangma panic ngi mana tani hamala why ni exam cancel angka jeng borok no koinai borok ni loge jeng basajak je mansak niro ni justice ni bagai jeng tongo bon bai nirok takiri di je culprit no jeng punish khaiga ni bagai jeng appeal khaijak governor no jeng appeal khaika bon bagai niro no jeng appeal khainai niro ni support niro ni loge jeng nanggo nei ani yago to mungsa khobor krikho haipano mia from nukmani to khoroksan roja khana but jeng appeal khainai je joto involved tonai aro khoroksa kini deng tong jeng sia but je involved tonai rok no punishment rogani bagi bon bai na jeng CBI inquiry jeng tini sampai manengga